वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आवर। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। देखिए अब खाने का वक्त हो चुका है और जब खाने का वक्त होता है तो मैं अपने घोड़े पे सवार हो जाता हूँ बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू होल्ड माय हॉर्सेस। इसलिए मैं आ गया हूँ घोड़े पे नहीं पर अपनी गाड़ी में करामा एरिया में। यहाँ पर एक नया रेस्टोरेंट खुला है करीब 6 महीने पहले। नाउ दिस इज अ 50-year-old brand. They've got more than 25 outlets all across India. This is their first franchise in Dubai. They're planning to open a lot more. जगह का नाम है क्रीम सेंटर। एंड अगर आपने क्रीम सेंटर के बारे में सुना है इंडिया से तो आपको पता होगा कि यहाँ पे छोले भटूरे जो हैं वो डेफिनेटली खाने होते हैं। अब देखना ये है कि इंडिया जैसे छोले भटूरे ये यहाँ करामा में दे सकते हैं या नहीं, और यही देखने मैं आ चुका हूँ।
As promised, हर हफ्ते I show you a new place to eat. This week I take you to Cream Center, located right behind Lamsey Plaza. For those of you who are hardcore Mumbaikars have definitely heard about Cream Center. That's right, they've now opened their first international branch and that's in Dubai. The first thing that caught my eye as I walked into the restaurant was the relaxed atmosphere, the comfortable seating and most importantly, the diverse menu.
Cream Center, the Veg Edge. Now, when you take a look at the menu, you realize that this is a 50-year-old restaurant because, you know, this is a fat, thick file as a menu and it's got nice thick pages as well, but that's got nothing to do with the food. But when you take a look at this, you realize one thing, that they've got a lot to offer, probably something for every single palate. So when I go through this menu, I see there's ragda patties to penne arrabbiata, there's nachos to sizzlers, so there's everything that you can probably imagine. The only difficulty that you will have here probably is to choose what you want to eat. So I've decided I'm going to go in with some of their best sellers, some of their must tries.
After a great deal of pondering and a couple of sips of my delicious lime ice soda, I finally decided to order quite a few things. I decided to start with some Italian. So I ordered the Italian herb chili cheese toast, which for me back home used to be my favorite snack at absolutely any time of the day.
You know, with so much cheese, it's very difficult to go wrong. You know, I love the use of chilies. You got a lot of pieces of green chili. I'm loving the spice.
Alongside, I also ordered a delicious platter of American cheese balls, one of Cream Center's signature dishes.
Now it's time for the second thing on my plate. Now this is the American corn cheese balls. Now I've seen that this is a favorite with a lot of kids, but actually it's the moms that end up eating it. I know a lot of moms who say, my kids, they love the cheese balls and then it's them eating it. But you can't blame them, right? Cheese and corn fried, served to you like this, it's very tempting. You know, every time you bite into that corn, it gives out the juice, and there's a burst of that flavor in your mouth, coupled with cheese. Awesome. This is definitely comfort food.
After all this, it was time for my main course. It was a tough decision between all that I could choose from. And so I thought, more the merrier. I ordered the Bombaya Pav Bhaji Sizzler. Now this is a new way of having Pav Bhaji. And of course, when in Cream Center, how can you not order their Chana Bhatura? I waited for my main course. I heard a group of ladies enjoying their kitty lunch, and me being quite the ladies' man, I ended up crashing into their party just for a little while.
Hi ladies. How are you guys doing? You guys are so loud. नहीं मुझे एक बार बताइए, एक टेबल पे what is that? Mothers?
Mothers speak like almost every alternative Mondays.
Wow. Now this is an unbelievable size of a bhatura. Just take a look at this. This is the Cream Center original bhatura. It's nice and very light. I'm going to eat all of it. The garam masala I can smell till here. अब इसे खा के देखते हैं कि ये है कैसा. Fantastic. Okay, now this is a very different way of having pav bhaji. I have personally never had pav bhaji like this, and I found out from the owners here that this dish or this variant of the pav bhaji was actually discovered here in Dubai, and now of course it's served in other cream centers across India. Very different way of doing it, right? It's a sizzling platter. It's actually a proper sizzler which comes with a little bit of pav bhaji. Actually, no, a lot of pav bhaji. There's some tawa pulao. There's of course the very important pav in it. There's bhajia and there's some veggies as well. खाकर देखते हैं है कैसी. ये करते हुए एक शेर याद आ रहा है. अर्ज किया है, पाव भाजी पर जो मैंने डाला लाइम, पाव भाजी पर जो मैंने डाला लाइम. If I complete this शेर, it's a waste of time. क्या बात है? Awesome tawa pulao. And you know, one thing you need in a pav bhaji is for it to be hot. And I think that's attained by this sizzling platter. You can still hear the sizzle. Typical Bombay pav bhaji. Now it's time for the ultimate sin. Now this is the sizzling brownie fun day. Of course, I don't need to explain anything. It's a sizzling brownie with ice cream. Ooh. Another warning here, this is really, really hot. It's hot. So with this, my meal here at Cream Center comes to a very sizzling end, if I may say so. It's been a great meal, and I think by seeing this episode, you will also have realized that there's a lot that Cream Center has to offer. Some very, very authentic foods. They've opened in various parts of India, now moved international as well. But one thing that hasn't changed is their menu. So what they're serving in Mumbai, what they're serving in Chennai, and what they're serving in Dubai are exactly the same thing. So if that's the kind of flavor, that's the kind of food that you're missing, Cream Center definitely is one of the places that you've got to try.
The veg food is very nice, and basically I am Jain also, so I need all Jain food also. So this is taste and everything is very nice.
I've tried lot of things, but still few are still pending.
Okay, खाना खत्म हो गया है और खाने के साथ साथ एपिसोड भी. बट to be very honest with you, एक बार मेरा पेट भर जाए उसके बाद क्या खत्म होता है, I don't really care much. तो मेरा तो घर जाने का वक्त आ चुका है और आपका घर से निकल के बढ़िया खाना खाने जाने का वक्त आ चुका है. I'm going to see you next week with another restaurant and also with all that's happening in and around town. Till then, no सवाल, no doubt, सबका solution, Weekend Out.
It's a K Company production.